Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back with me Ilham Dwi Prasetyo. Okay. In this video, I will see I I will to see on you the HTML, the code for our website portfolio. Okay, and this is the website. And this we have the open it in the browser, desktop, and in this if we open in mobile. Okay, so what's the coding? And this the coding. Okay, you can see in this and the navbar in Ilham IDE. This you can see in this hamburger menu. If we click this, okay, we fast from the 3 and 4x, and in this what, okay, some menu. Okay, how to create it? To create it in a navbar star in this, in header, because with header in this we can give the class the the background is transparent, and absolute, transparent, absolute, and the top is 0, the top is 0. Okay, the top 0, the left 0, left 0, and the width is full. Okay, width is full, and we can give the flex. The flex, we can the absolute in a position is absolute, and the display is flex, and item center for this item center, and z index is 10. Okay, to this with Ilham IDE and menu, you can place a div. We give class a container, and we give a div again with class is flex. Okay, the display flex, and we give the item center. Okay, item center for 2, for this 2 in center, and justify between because this is 2, and the position is relative. Okay, after that we can get with div with class is padding y, padding left and padding right is 4. If 4 in this 16px, and we can give in this href for home. Okay, href for home with class is font bold with text large and text primary block, the display is block, and padding y is padding top and padding bottom is 6 in this in 24px, and you can create with Ilham IDE in this. This is up to you, can write with what. Okay, after that we can call with div this for the menu. For the menu we can call with div, and class is flex, item center, and padding y, padding left and right is 4. Is 16px, and we can see with the button, tag button with ID a hamburger, or up to you, you can name this with what the name is. Same is no problem. We can we give the type, it's no problem. And the class for this menu is display is block, position absolute, and the right is for is 16 px. Okay, 16 px from this 16 px. And the large is hidden because it's hidden, and we can click this part. Okay. And in this text button, we can give the text pane 3, because this is for 3. We give the class a hamburger line with transition, and duration is 3 3 milli 300 millisecond with ease in out. Okay, and we can this with origin top left and origin bottom left. And the menu, for the menu we can give this with tag nav with id nav menu, with class hidden, display is hidden, is none, position with absolute, and padding padding top and padding bottom is 5 or 20 px, with a background is white with a shadow and rounded. The rounded is large, and the max width is to 215 px. You can bit we full. And after nav, we can create with tag ul with class block and large flag, and we give the tag li. We can create a 6 tag li for home, about, portfolio, client, blog, and contact from this. Okay, in this tag li, you can give the class with text space and text dark with padding padding top and padding bottom 2 or hpx, and margin x, margin left and margin right is 8 or 32 px, with flex display, and group hover is text primary. Okay, the hover is with text primary. Okay, this the color. Okay, in this the hero section. And now, oh, this is the nav bar. Okay, I'm sorry. And now you can set with a hero section. Okay, hero section is this from hello semua after this picture. Okay, the first, we can create the tag section with id home, and class is padding top 20, the padding top is 36 or 144 px. After this, can give the tag div with class container, and we give the tag div with class flex wrap. Okay, from this we can get that in the other video. And now we can get with a bond about section. Okay, the about section in this about section. From the first, we can give with text section with ID about, and the class is padding top uh, 36 or 144 px, with padding bottom is 32 or 128 px. Okay, we can click with div and class a container. We give again with div with class flex and flex wrap. After that, we can give with this div with class. The width is full. Padding x, padding left, and padding right is 4 or 16 px, with margin bottom 10 or 40 px, 40 px, with large. The width is half. Okay, with this is a half. In a desktop screen, we can take a half screen. Okay, a half. But in a mobile, cut it from one, just one. Okay, this is responsive. And after that, we can give a tag have for with class font bold and uppercase. Okay, uppercase the text for uppercase, and tag text primary, text large, with margin bottom 3 or 12 px. We can give the the comment tentang saya. Okay, it is tentang saya. After this, we can give a tag h2 with class font bold. The text is dark. The text is 3xl with margin bottom 5 or 20 px, with max width medium. The large text 4xl. Okay, and we give a comment ayo belajar programming in this channel. Right, in this now we give a tag p with class font medium, the text base, and text secondary with max width xl, and large text sl. You can give it a lorem. Lorem is up to you, lorem 10 or lorem 20 for this. Okay, lorem. Okay, and now we create a mari berkawan. From the first, we can give a div with class we full px4, padding x or padding left and padding right is 16 px, with large with a half, and we can give a h3 with class font semi bold, text dark, text 2xl, with margin bottom 4 or 16 px. In the large, text 3xl, and the large padding top is 10 or 40 px, and you can give a mari berkawan in h3. And we give the tag p with class font medium, with tag base, tag secondary, with margin bottom 6 or 24 px, with large text large, and we give the lorem. Okay, from now we can give it this icon. Okay, the first we give the tag div with class flags and item center, and we give a tag ahref. In this, you can give the links of social media. I'll talk in this youtube.com https youtube.com/channel. Okay, in the portfolio can get with two screen. Okay, and now in this portfolio, okay, in this portfolio we can give the text section with id portfolio and give the class a padding top is 36 or 144 px with padding bottom is 16 or 64 px with background /100, and we give the div with class container and div class the width full with padding y, padding left and padding right is 4 or 16 px, and we give the div with class max width is xl, margin x, margin left and margin right is auto, with text center with margin bottom is 16 or 64 px, and we give the tag hover with class font semi-bold, text large, text primary with margin bottom 2, and we give the comment for portfolio, and we give the tag head to with class font bold, text dark, text 3xl, margin bottom 4, and the small text 4xl, and the large text 5xl. We can give it a